I made Dewey's a home for my career because I saw fast advancement for myself. You know, it was a pretty strong leadership track, so you go in, you get the training done, and then, you know, really you're thrown into your home store with a great team of people, and you're their leader.
To be able to take someone and, you know, really guide their development and really turn them into something that, you know, maybe they didn't even themselves know that they could be.
This is a stepping stone for a lot of people. That's why I love leading them so much, because I'm helping them become a great server, or we're helping develop them to become a great member of our team, but we're also helping them in developing a great work ethic.
If we are invested enough in the people, we find that they're going to just kind of be intrigued and coming back to us. Just by being a good manager and you know, doing the right things the right way, the lessons that they learn and the leadership that we display is going to kind of keep them with us.
I know that there's a vision, and the regional managers and the owners of the company aren't afraid to communicate that to us.
Well, I think we're unlike most other pizza places where we're going to come in every single day. We have 3 hours of prep, so we're prepping everything fresh for that day. You're getting the highest quality ingredients. Me as a kitchen manager constantly checking on that quality and making sure that we're only sending out the highest quality product to the customers.
I actually had 3 separate job offers when I got offered the job with Dewey's, with great companies as well, but something that I was looking for in a job and in a career was a great culture. And Dewey's had that from the beginning. It was fun, it was exciting.
It's really fun, it's exciting, it's a little bit different every day. I enjoy very much the people that I work with. We're always laughing, having a good time.
If I come in a bad mood, I'm instantly pumped up and I'm happy to be where I'm at.
That's one of my favorite things in leading a team, is getting those cards and letters from people saying thank you for, you know, the experience you gave me at Dewey's, because it's allowed me to succeed in my current positions.
You know, I'd never experienced that somewhere else, where somebody actually cared enough to take the time to ask me what I wanted and how I wanted to get there and what steps I thought I needed to take. And then from that point, help me take those steps to get there. Now that I actually get to do that with other cooks is awesome.